Hello guys, and welcome to another video, and today, I am not, we're gonna be checking out this, house, so follow my channel, and, maybe watch more of my videos. I have 4 subscribers right now. I need more, guys. Give me more. So there's a treehouse. 2 actually in this world. Oh man, I suck at this. So I'll go up here and I can jump up into my pool, yo. That, as you can see, that's the other treehouse. And then there's this dummy practice. Yo. I mean, I put the skeleton in there because of the wood, the fact that the wood kind of looks like a skeleton body. I mean, there's no way that does not look like a skeleton body.